Gestalt language processing relies on the natural language acquisition protocol and its impact on individuals with autism. This literature review and poster was created by Hayley and Madi Hyatt. Gestalt language processing is an important way that many autistic individuals develop language. Instead of learning single words first, they often learn language in chunks, like whole phrases or sentences that they've heard before. This is also called echolalia. Over time, they break these phrases down and learn to create their own unique sentences. This process is explained in the Natural Language Acquisition Framework, which describes 6 stages of language development. Understanding this helps us support individuals with ASD better by respecting how they naturally learn to communicate. Supporting Gestalt language learners in the right way can help them express themselves more confidently. We further explain Gestalt language processing, different types of learning styles, and characteristics of ASD. These concepts then support our research questions. 1. What impact does Gestalt language processing have on individuals with autism? 2. How does the use of echolalia and Gestalt language processing support language development in autistic children? 3. How do different learning styles affect language development in autistic individuals? And 4. How does the Natural Language Acquisition Protocol support Gestalt language processors with autism in developing functional communication skills?
For the methods, 15 resources were looked at in further detail in terms of Gestalt language processing. 6 of those resources referred to natural language acquisition, 7 resources referred to Gestalt language processing, 8 resources referred to echolalia, and 10 resources referred to ASD. Additionally, for our key findings, we found that there were many benefits to Gestalt language processing, as seen below. Future research should focus on deepening our understanding of how to best support Gestalt language processors, especially in diverse contexts. While current studies highlight the importance of trust and connection in supporting communication, there is still limited research involving individuals from different cultural and linguistic backgrounds. One significant gap is the lack of knowledge about how exposure to multiple languages impacts autistic Gestalt language processors, particularly before they complete the stages of the natural language acquisition in one language. More inclusive and practical research is needed to bridge this gap.
Speech-language pathologists play a crucial role in supporting language development, especially in those using Gestalt language processing. Language is more than just words. It includes emotions, environment, and personal experiences. To help effectively, speech therapists must listen carefully, adjust their communication style, and truly understand the person that they are working with.
Research also shows that Gestalt language processing can lead to more effective language learning, suggesting that teaching methods should align with how students naturally perceive and organize language, rather than simply focusing on memorizing grammar rules. Clinicians should also embrace echolalia as a valid form of communication and a natural part of a child's identity, rather than viewing it as a problem to be fixed. This raises important questions about whether echolalia is inherently good or bad.
In consideration to our future profession as speech therapists, the focus should be on understanding each person's unique way of communicating, even for those who exhibit autism spectrum disorder.